Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lawtis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This tip is on transitions and what you can do to have smoother transitions with your child. This is just one video in a series, so please take a look through the playlist to see what makes the most sense for you. Now, one really easy trick that you can incorporate is to give your child a set number of turns before they're going to transition. So say you're leaving a playground or you're leaving a game or something that they're really having a good time with. You could say something like 3 more turns or 5 more turns, but the idea is you want to give them a set number of turns or a set number of tries before they need to leave. This helps them better integrate and manage the transition. So it's a really easy trick because it's a verbal trick and it's something that you can do immediately. So if you haven't tried giving a set number of turns, give this a try. It can be incredibly effective. You can also pair this trick with the other ones that are noted in the playlist. So hopefully this will give you some help.